Nalini Dayal may very well have landed herself in hot water with her political party, the Congress of the People, and many others all across the country. The statements referring to Kudry's situation as retribution has sparked much outrage, with even Prime Minister Kamla Persad-Bissessar joining the growing chorus of condemnation, saying the statements were totally unacceptable.
But for my sister Marlene, I ask you not to take on the rantings of someone who doesn't understand human nature and the love of a mother for a child.
The Congress of the People, to which Dayal is a senior member, says the comments were uncompassionate and reckless. COP member and Minister Carolyn C. Persad-Bechan says it goes against all the party stands for and represents.
I think it was very unfortunate. Let me say that I happened to be at an executive meeting last night, and that was a scheduled executive meeting of the COP, and it was condemned, and I think the COP has made a public statement distancing themselves from this Ms. Dayal's statement. I don't think it was, and I think they will be taking it further with Ms. Dayal.
The deputy political leader of the party and MP for Lopino-Bonaire West, Lincoln Douglas, says Dayal will be asked to explain herself, but he believes she will be asked to remove herself from his executive.
She was on the transition committee that in Lopino-Bonaire West, which is my constituency. We have since asked her to step down and to be removed from that committee.
For CNC3, I am Chester Sembrano.